hardware startup, Humane has unveiled its first gadget, the AI Pin, which offers an alternative to smartphones by harnessing the power of AI. The wearable device, set to launch later this year, is clothing-based and uses various sensors to enable contextual and ambient computing interactions. Humane is collaborating with Qualcomm Technologies to meet the device's processing requirements. The Pin was demonstrated at the TED conference, projecting an interface onto the user's hand for functions such as taking calls and displaying daily summaries. Humane aims to provide users with a screen-free computing experience, is a unique spelling for artificial intelligence, and its pronunciation remains a mystery until launch.
Supercharged by nearly 16 billion transistors, the A16 Bionic powers the most impressive range of Pro innovations yet. The iPhone 14 Pro goes above and beyond, redefining what a smartphone can be. Again.
Ready?
So it all started when I was at a friend's party.
Mia, can you send me that? Sure.
Everyone keeps asking.
Mia, can you send me that?
Even my French neighbor.
Will you send me that? Not you.
Sorry, Steve.
Mia.
Green light.
I mean, all the time.
Red light. Can you send me that?
I'm not making this up.
Hey, can you send me that?
Everyone.
Sure.
It's incredible.
Drop, splash, scratch, clean, repeat. The Cat S42 is a remarkable workhorse, drop-proof from height, waterproof at depth, and extra long battery life. With a bright touchscreen that works in the wet and with gloves. And loud, high-quality audio for tough environments. And exceeds U.S. military standard mil-spec A10H. The Cat S42, the essential work phone.